Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. SmartPlay Studio is updated, and your Android device has developer mode and USB debugging enabled. Plug the phone with a reliable USB cable. If using wireless projection, pair both devices on the same Wi-Fi network and enable wireless Android Auto in settings. Once done, open SmartPlay Studio and choose the Android Auto template so the studio can detect the phone. This gets you into the connection phase immediately, avoiding needless toggles and ensuring once the studio detects your phone, select the Android Auto target and confirm the pairing ID shown in SmartPlay Studio matches the phone prompt. You must tap Accept on the phone and grant media, location, and notifications permissions so apps and audio route correctly. Then configure screen resolution, orientation, and audio routing inside the studio. Make sure input mapping matches vehicle controls. These steps ensure both data and media flows work, preventing blank screens or muted audio when you start the session. To finish, test navigation, media playback, and the voice assistant while watching SmartPlay Studio's logs for errors. If things fail, restart Android Auto on the phone and reload the project in Studio. Often a reconnect fixes handshake issues. Make sure the phone is set to file transfer or Android Auto mode over USB, use a different cable or port, and recheck granted permissions. If audio still fails, toggle Bluetooth and confirm the vehicle or studio audio sync is selected. This single checklist resolves most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.